Welcome back to another fantastic episode of DHHN. I'm your host for this week, Ryan Aruda. On this episode, we interviewed our Unified Bowling program. We also have a look at a recent hockey game. Sports, weather, news, and much more. DHHN starts right now.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Here are this week's announcements. Parking passes are now available online for $30 a piece. See the school website to purchase. Cafe Tuesday coffees for 50 cents, baked goods for 75 cents. Staff and teachers, please check your school emails. Clubs and activities sign up. Visit the Dartmouth High School website to see all the wonderful offerings and club opportunities that we have here at DHS. TEDx DHS will be live streamed and in-person event Friday, March 10th.
Interesting information about St. Patrick's Day. It's always on March 17th. Did you know March 17th was actually the day St. Patrick died? After he died, he was forgotten, but he later on grew honored as a saint of Ireland. He used the three-leaf shamrock to explain the Holy Trinity. Because of that, in the 18th century in Ireland, they started to wear shamrocks on March 17th to show their Irish Christian pride, which later on turned into the tradition to wearing green on St. Patrick's Day. One of the biggest traditions that happen on St. Patrick's Day are parades. This started in New York in 1762. If you want to learn more about St. Patrick's Day, there's a bunch of videos and articles online that you can look for. Bye!
Our Unified Bowling program is on a roll and has been striking a lot of interest here at DHS. Let's roll the story.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Church. This is my 5th year here at Dartmouth High School. I teach math. I have 2 children in our school. Ryan is a sophomore and Ethan is the senior. One of my favorite things that I do here at Dartmouth High School is I'm an assistant coach for the Unified Bowling Club. We go on Mondays and it's a winter activity, so it's from Thanksgiving to February break, and we have 3 more meetings after today. Oh, I love seeing all of the students working together. Unified Bowling is really just a time that everybody can excel, and everybody has good weeks and not so great weeks as far as bowling, and people are learning so many skills and working together, and I just absolutely love it. Well, Mrs. August, who is a math teacher here at Dartmouth High School, started this club I believe 6 years ago, and it was so popular that we get to run it every single year during the winter time, which is a great opportunity because in the fall we have unified basketball, and in the spring we have unified track. So in the winter we get to have an indoor activity, which is bowling. We usually have a celebration at the end of the season where we have a pizza party and get to enjoy spending time together. Last year we brought in some treats and some drinks and snacks and pizza, and it was a really great time.
Hi, I'm Mrs. August, and I'm one of the coaches for the Unified Bowling Club. I started the bowling club about 7 years ago, and the reason I started it is because I love bowling, and I do have a son with special needs, and Unified Bowling is one of those sports that any person, no matter the ability, can do it. Unified Bowling Club it is a winter season sport, and you can see myself or Miss Church to join. We usually have permission slips out middle of November, so we can start after Thanksgiving.
Because I want to have some fun. This is open to all kids. We have our pizza party.
So the reason why I signed up for Unified Bowling because it's fun and it's active with friends and stuff. Unified Bowling of the morning, having fun with friends and yeah. Probably in March doing Unified Track.
Here's your 7-day weather forecast.
Hello, I'm Kyle Silva with your weekly weather for March 6th to March 12th. On Monday, it's going to be partly cloudy with a high of 48 and a low of 32. Tuesday, we're going to see a bit of rain with a high of 42 and a low of 28. Here is your forecast for the rest of the week. Wednesday is going to be a high of 43 with a low of 27 and partly cloudy. Thursday, we're going to see partly cloudy again, a high of 45 with a low of 29. Friday is going to be rainy with a high of 43 and a low of 31. Saturday, we're going to have a high of 44 and a low of 30, and it's going to be a bit cloudy. Sunday, we're going to see a lot of sun, and it's going to be high of 44 with a low of 31. Back to you in the studio.
Hockey had a huge win against Stoughton. Here are the highlights.
Dartmouth High School Pride. Dartmouth High is ranked among the best public high schools in the country according to U.S. News & World Report. So how do we show our Dartmouth pride? First, be responsible for yourself, your grades, and your behavior. Make sure to stay on top of your schoolwork and do the best you can. Next, get involved with some of our many clubs, sports, and activities. And show respect for your peers and teachers, and all of those around you. But finally, have fun at our beautiful high school.
Here is this week's lunch show. Welcome back to the lunch show. For breakfast, Monday, March 6th, we have confetti pancakes and bagel with cream cheese with cereal. Tuesday, we have a breakfast sandwich with a bagel and cream cheese with cereal. Once again, Wednesday, we have mini waffle bites with a bagel and cream cheese and cereal. Thursday, mini maple pancakes with a bagel and cream cheese cereal. And Friday, a breakfast sandwich with a bagel, cream cheese, and cereal. Monday, March 6th, we have a buffalo chicken and cheese wrap with sweet potato fries. Tuesday, March 7th, we have baked CD with a cheesy garlic stick, roasted green beans. Wednesday, March 8th, we have a popcorn chicken bowl, corn muffin, mashed potato. Thursday, March 9th, we have a carnitas pork bowl, tortilla chips, black bean, and corn salad. And Friday, March 10th, we have a grilled cheese sandwich with roasted broccoli.
Meow, meow.
This only goes up to $15. We're in the $17 right now.
Here at Dartmouth High School, Juliana is a member of our high school track, spring track, and cross country team.
In case of war, they would be called. Less traditionally, like limited to study. For example, more graphics on the courses, overseas outward.
That's it for this week's episode of DHHN. Tune in next week to see an interview with the DEF board members about the upcoming spelling bee. I've been your host for this week, Ryan Aruda. Thank you for watching.